Hi, it's Kirk from iMazing. Today I want to tell you about something really cool, how you can quickly transfer media and documents of all types to your iPhone or iPad. Your iPhone can store and use documents of all kinds like music, videos, and photos. And many apps on your iPhone can work with files such as ebooks and PDFs, spreadsheets, text files, and more. iMazing lets you transfer files of any kind to your iPhone to the apps that can read, play, or work with them. Here's how. Launch iMazing and connect your iOS device. Select your device in the iMazing sidebar, then click on Quick Transfer. Drag a file or a folder full of files to the iMazing window. iMazing displays apps compatible with that file type that are on your phone. Click the app you want to accept the file, then click Transfer. But there's a faster way to do this. Just drag a file or folder onto the image of your device at the right of the iMazing window. And if you have iMazing Mini running, you can drag a file onto your device in its menu. This only works if you've activated the full version of iMazing. Your iPhone or iPad by default has apps installed to handle some common file types. The Photos app handles JPEG or PNG images. The Books app, previously iBooks, can read EPUB ebooks and PDF documents. The Music apps plays audio files in AAC, MP3, Apple Lossless, WAV, and AIF. And the Videos or TV app plays movies and videos in MP4 format. Many third-party apps can work with a wider variety of file types depending on the app. If you drop a file that's not supported by iOS, iMazing tells you this. Click the link in this window to visit the iMazing Quick Transfer Guide, where we have suggestions for third-party apps for all types of files. If you enjoyed this video and want more tutorials like this one, then subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. I'll see you soon with more videos about how to use iMazing.